It takes 7 minutes and 30 seconds to cook the perfect hard-boiled egg. Here's what you need: a pot with a lid and a spoon to put your eggs in the boiling water. Now we're going to put some water into the pot. Pro tip, if you start by putting hot water into your pot, it will take a lot less for the water to boil. You're going to want to fill up the pot roughly halfway. Take the pot, put it on your burner. You're going to put the lid on there. It's going to help keep the heat in and it will boil faster. Put your burner up to high and let it go until the water is boiling. Now that the water is boiling, you're going to take something to take that lid off so you don't get burned. This is something I realized when I moved into this new house with this burner, real flame burner, gas burner, that the lid gets extremely hot and so does the handle, so be careful. All right, we're gonna put our eggs into the boiling water with that spoon, being careful not to drop the eggs into the pot. I'm doing 2 at a time. And if you feel the water is too high in your pot, you can always take some out to prevent overflow. Again, 7 minutes and 30 seconds for the perfect egg. With the power of video editing, 7 minutes and 30 seconds have passed. You're going to turn off your heat. Again, if you have something to hold on to that handle without getting burnt, you could use that. Put the pot with the hot boiling water into your sink and run some cold water over the eggs to stop the cooking and get the eggs cool enough so we can start peeling them. There are so many ways to peel your eggs, but this is the way I have found to work best for me. I give it a couple cracks on the edge of the pot and make pretty much a circle, a line around the egg, and then I start peeling away. Another technique that I found to be helpful is while you are breaking up your egg, taking the shells off, run it under some water, helps them get really clean fast. I promised you perfect hard-boiled eggs. So here we go. Here's the big reveal. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Exactly how I like them. There is no green line around these. These are perfectly cooked, delicious, hard-boiled eggs. Now to finish them off, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, black pepper, and here is an ingredient my wife told me about, the Everything Bagel seasoning. Very nice with hard-boiled eggs. I really appreciate you watching this basic how to boil an egg video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.